Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm happy that you're taking time for crafting and relaxing, whether you're brand new or you've been with me since the beginning. Today I'm here to show you a project share. I did not make these. These were a gift from my friend Noni. She gave these to me right before I left for vacation and I realized I hadn't shared them. And in fact, they were safely in a bag. I had set them aside and then I found the bag and went, oh my gosh. She made me coasters, and I'll tell you how she made them and kind of what her logic was. She made me 5, so I could have a set at home and then take one to work to put on my desk. Let me show you these up close. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know these are blue because that's the only color I think we really need. And what she did was she used alcohol inks on these. I have some videos about alcohol ink, so if you're not familiar, you can look in the description below this video. There are many brands, Pinata, Tim Holtz, a lot of different people make alcohol inks, and then there are also refills for alcohol markers. So if you had those instead of buying separate bottles, there's all sorts of options. The thing about alcohol inks is they are permanent. That's why many people have a glass mat or a board that they work on. If I get alcohol ink on my countertop, it's going to be there forever. Pros and cons. When you do an alcohol ink project, if you're really smart, you wear gloves. I don't. But eventually it wears off of me. I don't think it would ever wear off of the countertop. Alcohol ink, when it's wet, foil will stick to it. So foil, silver leaf, the leafing crafty products that we have. Here's just one example. This is Queen & Company and it's their foil, and this is the blue. I know I have some gold leaf around here. All of those kind of metal foil products will stick. So on the parts of the alcohol ink that are thicker, you start your project, you let it dry partway, and then the thicker parts, you can put it on and it will stick. So you get these gorgeous patterns. With alcohol ink, you can manage it with an alcohol spray bottle or with a straw, or you can just let it do what it does. And you'll notice they're all different, and every one of them are gorgeous, and they have different patterns on them. Ooh, I like this one. This one, it's got like a bit of, it kind of came out tealish. Not just a true blue on that one. Very cool. Really, really fun. And these, if you look closely, they're tiles. You can get tiles at your home improvement store. You can get them at reclaim stores like Habitat for Humanity. These tiles, on any given day, this is probably 20 cents, one tile. It might have been more, but you can get them for really good prices. And even at a place like Habitat, you could find enough to make a set of matching coasters. You might not be able to do a room, but you could make matching coasters for sure. And then she's put felt on the back of them so that they won't scratch anything I put them on and they won't slide off. Just gorgeous. But these were just basic, boring tiles. Look at those. You could also, if you were redoing your bathroom or something, I'm sure you could put alcohol ink on your tile and then build it into your bathroom. You of course wouldn't put the felt on the back. They don't just have to be coasters. You could use bigger tile and make trivets. These would make amazing gifts. I mean, clearly it's an amazing gift for me. A great gift for somebody who has a favorite color, or alcohol inks blend really nicely too. And you'll see that in some of my videos when I'll link to several different videos down below. So it doesn't have to be one color. If you take yellow and a bright blue, you're going to get that entire spectrum on your project. Same for yellow and a bright red or a super bright pink. You're going to get some gorgeous orange in that project, and it will be amazing. So alcohol inks are a super fun thing. They also just work on paper. You can use them on different colored paper. You can use them on white paper. We've experimented with UPO paper and synthetic papers and very inexpensive paper from the Dollar Tree. The idea is you don't want paper that's going to absorb it really quick because you want to allow it to move around. That's why it does such amazing things on tile. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project share and got some inspiration from it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.